Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today we are doing 3 IXL skills, not just one. The first one that we have is D14. So I have IXL pulled up over here. I'm going to scroll down to D and click on 14. Once again, you can also just click the link on your Google Classroom. Since these are randomly generated, you might have something different pop up on yours. So this skill is multiplying one-digit numbers by 3 or 4-digit numbers using area models. The reason why we are doing 3 skills today is because these are pretty easy skills. They're things that we already know. So our first model, we have 3 on the side, and then we have 300 plus 20 plus 8. So I'm just looking at that top skill. Well, that's going to be the same as 3 times 328. The bottom one, we have 3 times 100 plus 20 plus 8. Remember, they don't actually have the pluses on theirs if you look at the model. They just have them separated, but we know that each of those spaces is a plus sign. Well, it asks which model represents 3 times 128. Well, this equals 3 times 328. This equals 3 times 128. So out of these two, it's the second one. Working on this next one, it says what is 3 times 128? Use the areas shown in the model to help. Well, they already gave us the answers in here, and we know when we have an area model, we do the equation inside. So 3 times 100 equals 300, 3 times 20 equals 60, and 3 times 8 equals 24. So the only step that we need to do, since they gave us that, is 300 plus 60 plus 24. All I'm doing is taking those numbers that they had inside their answers from the area model and adding them up. So I have 4 here, 6 plus 2 equals 8, 3 plus 0, so it's 384. I come over here, I enter 384. Before I hit submit, I double check that that is what I wrote here, and I hit submit. Okay, this one we're looking at the model again. I don't even think I have to write this one down. This is 5 times 154. Well, the top numbers, they broke down 154 in expanded form correctly, but it should be times 5. This one's times 2, this one's times 5. So I know that the bottom number is, or the bottom model is correct because it's 5 times 154. This says 2 times 154. Once again, they give you the stuff inside. All you have to do is add it up. 500 plus 250 plus 20. Go through and add it up. Double check before you enter it that you're typing in the right number. Hit submit. These should be pretty easy. Like I said, we've done a lot of area model before, but there are some helpful hints for you guys. All right. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.